Hi everyone, this is going to be a short tutorial about Google Spreadsheets and how to do consecutive dates. So in Google Spreadsheets you first need to specify the starting date and then the direction. That means if this was the starting date we selected, we want to proceed to the rest of the month. We'll specify the next date in the month, and then this little square over here, we'll click on it and drag, and consecutive dates will appear. Same thing with numbers. Say for example you want to start from 1 and proceed upwards, then you specify the next number, select both of them, the little square over here, drag it, and it will proceed to fill out the numbers. If it was backwards, say this was 30 and this was 29, same thing, you will select both of them and this will move the numbers down. So that is how to fill out dates, consecutive numbers and consecutive dates on Google Spreadsheet quickly. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you.